I'm gonna show you how to debone the chicken leg. The best way, the perfect way. For that, I use Dow Strong's Valhalla series 6-inch boning knife. This is my favorite. And now you're gonna see why this is my favorite. Wow. See the design? Okay. You wanna take the back. Like this. Good night. This is back one is out. Then go along the bone all the way. Make a slit. Pull this. This side, the back of the knife. There's a thin bone here. Pull it. There's a small cartridge. Take this out. Perfect boneless chicken legs. You want to take the backbone. Cut like this. Your knife, hold it, pull it. This is backbone is out. Then go along the bone all the way. Make a slit. Pull this at the end. This side, the back of the knife. There is a thin bone here. Pull it. This is there is a small cartridge. You take this out. Perfect boneless chicken legs. Using my favorite boning knife, Dow Strong's. Thank you.